Hello students, welcome to our channel Kalmari Juniors. In this video, we will begin with the new chapter, that is chapter number 12, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. In the first part of this series, we are going to learn the classification of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid as well as nomenclature of aldehydes and carboxylic acid. So, let's start. First, let's understand what are aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids comes under those class of organic compound that contain carbonyl group, that is carbon-oxygen double bond, as their functional group. These are collectively called as carbonyl compounds. Now let's try to understand how aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids differ from each other. In aldehydes, the carbonyl group is attached to either two hydrogen atom, that is Sc double bond OH, or one hydrogen atom and one carbon containing group such as alkyl or aryl group, that is Rc double bond OH or Arc double bond OH. In ketones, the carbonyl group is attached to two carbon containing group which may be alkyl or aryl group, that is Rc double bond O R dash or Rc double bond O Ar. The carbonyl compound in which the carbonyl group is attached to OH group are called as carboxylic acid, that is Rc double bond O OH. Let's discuss classification of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. First, we will see the classification of aldehydes. Aldehydes are broadly classified into two types, that is aliphatic aldehydes and aromatic aldehydes. Aliphatic aldehydes are those compounds that contain CHO group which is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. For example, acetaldehyde, propanaldehyde, etc. Aromatic aldehydes are those organic compounds in which CHO group is directly attached to the aromatic ring. For example, benzaldehyde, salicylaldehyde, para-nitrobenzaldehyde, etc. Ketones are mainly classified into two types, aliphatic ketones and aromatic ketones. Aliphatic ketones are those compounds where carbonyl group is bonded to two alkyl group. Aliphatic ketones are further divided into two categories, that is simple or symmetrical ketone and mixed or asymmetrical ketone. When the alkyl groups bonded to carbonyl carbon represent the same group are called as simple or symmetrical ketone. For example, dimethyl ketone, diethyl ketone, etc. In mixed or asymmetrical ketone, the alkyl groups bonded to carbonyl carbon are different. For example, ethyl methyl ketone, ethyl and propyl ketone. Aromatic ketones are those compounds in which carbonyl group is attached to two aryl group or one alkyl and one aryl group. For example, benzophenone, acetophenone, etc. Coming to classification of carboxylic acid, it is broadly classified into two types, that is aliphatic carboxylic acid and aromatic carboxylic acid. In aliphatic carboxylic acid, the carboxyl group is bonded to alkyl group. Aliphatic carboxylic acid are further divided into monocarboxylic acid, dicarboxylic acid and tricarboxylic acid and so on, depending upon the number of carboxyl group present in them. For example, propanoic acid, citric acid, oxalic acid, etc. Those compounds in which carboxyl group is directly bonded to aromatic ring are called as aromatic carboxylic acid. For example, benzoic acid, phthalic acid, acetyl salicylic acid, etc. Now let's talk about nomenclature for aldehydes. For aldehydes, common parent chain names similar to those used for carboxylic acids are used and the suffix aldehyde is added to the end. For example, propanaldehyde, benzaldehyde, etc. In common names of aldehydes, carbon atom near the carbonyl group are often named. The atom adjacent to the carbonyl group is alpha, the next is beta and so on. The positions of substituents on the benzene ring with respect to the CHO group are indicated by prefixes ortho, meta and para. For example, ortho hydroxybenzaldehyde, meta methylbenzaldehyde, para methoxybenzaldehyde. Now let's talk about IUPAC nomenclature rules for aldehyde. Aldehydes take their name from their parent alkane chain. The E is removed from the end and is replaced with Al. For example, methanol, ethanol, etc. The aldehydic functional group is given the number 1 locant number and this number is included in the name. For example, pentanol. When the CHO functional group is attached to a ring, the suffix carbaldehyde is added and the carbon attached to that group is carbon 1. For example, 4-nitrobenzene carbaldehyde. When two CHO groups are present at the two ends of the chain, the ending E of the alkane is retained and the suffix diol is added to the parent aldehyde. For example, ethane diol, benzene 1,2-dicarbaldehyde. When CHO group appears as substituent, prefix formyl is used in the IUPAC nomenclature. For example, 2-formyl benzoic acid. Now let's see nomenclature for carboxylic acid. The ending E is removed from the name of the parent chain and is replaced by enoic acid. Since a carboxylic acid group must always lie at the end of a carbon chain, it is always given the number 1 position in numbering. For example, ethanoic acid, propanoic acid, etc. Many carboxylic acids are called by their common names. These names were chosen by chemists to usually describe a source from where the compound is found. In common names of carboxylic acid, carbon atoms near the carboxyl group are often designated by Greek letters. The atom adjacent to the carbonyl group is alpha, the next is beta and so on. An alicyclic compound having carboxylic group directly attached to alicyclic ring is named as cycloalkane carboxylic acid. For example, cyclohexane carboxylic acid. When two COH groups are present at the two ends of the chain, the ending E of the alkane is retained and the suffix dioic acid is added to the name of the parent chain. For example, ethane dioic acid, benzene 1,2-dicarboxylic acid. When two or more different functional groups are attached to a ring, the higher priority group is given lower number. For example, 3-hydroxy-4-methyl-benzoic acid. This table represents the tribal and IUPAC name of carboxylic acids and aldehydes. You can pause the video and go through them. Thank you students for watching this video. I hope you have understood the classification of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid as well as nomenclature of aldehydes and carboxylic acid. I thank all my teammates who have supported in making this video. Until then, stay tuned. See you in the next video.